As a medical journalist, I've always been fascinated by the idea of liposuction as a day case procedure. To feed my curiosity, I applied for an attachment to observe this procedure at Dr. K's clinic in Chiswick, London. Luckily, my application was approved and I keenly arrived at the clinic early one morning. Soon, the patient's pre-op assessments, including measurement of vital signs and filling the paperwork, gets underway.
Start the vision when you're a junior, and then you become, quite...
Dr. K performs liposuction under local anesthesia, which makes the procedure doable in a few hours.
All right, so we have got a patient who is a young man. He's coming for double chin liposuction and both love handles.
How long does the preparation for the surgery take?
It probably takes around 40 minutes. We update the medical history, the markings on the skin for the double chin area, as you will see it, and then also on love handles. We check how much fat is there, and we plan for it accordingly, how much fat needs to be removed.
Is this a painful procedure?
It's not at all. It's being done entirely under local anesthesia, and after injecting the numbing medication, the patient wouldn't feel any pain.
And how long does the recovery take?
The recovery is quite quick. Post-procedure, it takes only about 1 or 2 days until the patient can go back into normal activities of life.
The question often asked is, does the person start to accumulate body fat in the areas where the liposuction has been done?
Very good question. The treatment is permanent. If they don't watch their diet or they don't follow regular exercise, then some fat might come back to other areas, or they might gain extra fat tissues. Actually, liposuction on its own is not necessarily a solution for weight loss. However, I've had many patients that, interestingly, after liposuction surgery, they completely change their lifestyle by watching their diet and going for regular exercise. Probably the reason is that they see their new version, and that version motivates them. They completely see that beautiful body that they have always dreamed of.
It's probably the only pain you...
In this case, removal of the double chin took around an hour, and after a short break, work continued on the patient's flanks. Dr. K makes it look so easy, but the amount of skill and preparation it takes to make this experience safe and convenient must not be underestimated. Once the procedure is over, the patient is monitored for an hour, safety netted, and only then discharged with follow-up. Liposuction under local anesthesia seems to have an impressive benefit-to-risk ratio.
It seems to have gone really well, and the results are already showing.
Absolutely, yeah. Everything went well. Very excited to see him in about 6 weeks' time for the follow-up and to see that happiness in his face.
A fantastic way of giving momentum to one's journey of healthier living, as long as you stick with the core principles: exercise and a balanced diet.